Question number 11, we are told that diagram below shows part of a flower. So we have the diagram. A pupils made the following statements about the parts labeled W, X, Y, and Z. So they said that the W produces nectar. That is a petal. Number 2, X produces pollen. That's a filament. Number 3, we have Y transfer pollen. Then we have Z allows pollen tube to germinate. So before we answer that, we can have a picture of the parts of a flower, which will guide us on how you are supposed to answer that question. So these are the parts of a flower. We have the stigma, we have the colored part called the petal, we have the anthers, where this is where the pollen is produced. We have the filament, this is a part that supports the anther. We have the ovary, we have the sepal, we have the style. So looking at the statement, we can say that W produces nectar. W represents the petal, and that is correct. So 1 is correct. So we are required to find the 2 statements that are correct. X produces pollen. That is correct. That is the anther. It produces pollen. Y transfer pollen. Y does not transfer pollen. And Z allow pollen tube to germinate. No, it doesn't. That happens in the ovaries. So 1 and 2 are correct. So if we check which statement are correct, 1 and 2 is correct. So the correct answer is A. Part B, 2 is correct, but 4 is not correct. C, 3 is not correct, and 4 is not correct. And D, 1 is correct, but 3 is not correct. So the correct answer is A, and that is how you answer that question.